Hi guys, it's Mike here. Today I'm back for the AAA cards challenge. It's number 176. The challenge is to use one corner and maybe do something cozy. And here's the card I made. For it I used Clearly Besotted. I was actually torn between the MFT Winter Pals, I think it was called, and Sweater Wetter. But this is easier to color. And also because the scarf comes out from the corner, I thought it was nice for our challenge. And at first I went with the Knitted with Love sentiment, but I thought that is not very Christmassy. And there's a Laugh Out Loud from Clearly Besotted stem set that has funny sentiments, and I chose Baby It's Cold Outside, so put on that ugly sweater. But then my bear is not actually wearing a sweater, so I gave him one. The other ones are really cute as well, but I think impossible to color with my markers and my eyes, so I didn't do that. But I went for blue teals, kind of aqua colors or petrol, and then I gave him a bright pink coral sweater just by adding a line or two to his belly and arms, and that's basically it. I could have given him some patterns, but nope. Now the sentiments make sense in my opinion, and it's tucked into one corner, or at least the images. So our sponsor this fortnight is Stamplorations, so if you play along you can win a prize from them. And all the links are down below. And now we'll turn on the music while I color this little cutie, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Bye.